and we're so excited to share with you some basic details about this new social platform, Kumospace. First of all, there are a bunch of ways you can move around in Kumospace rooms. You can click with your mouse or tap your screen where you want to go, and your video will move to that location. Or you can use the keyboard's up, down, left, right arrow keys, and that will move you all of those directions. If you're on a phone or tablet, all you have to do is swipe toward a different direction, and you will move in that direction.
If you want to see the whole screen, you can zoom out or you can zoom in to see just part of it. Just click the plus and minus icons at the bottom left of the screen.
And do you notice the circle around us? Sound in Kumo space behaves like it does in real life. The closer you are to someone, the louder they sound. If you're close to someone, you can hear the conversation. But if you move away from the circle, it just it's just like what happens when you head to the opposite direction of in real life.
That way, you can have your own conversation in one corner, and someone else can be talking in another corner, and you won't interrupt each other.
Yes, there is a faint circle around your avatar, which represents your spatial audio range. You can hear anyone inside the circle, and they can hear you. Anyone outside the circle is out of earshot and out of luck.
And by the way, if you have difficulty viewing the full audio range, try zooming out with the minus button icon at the top right of your screen.
And if you want your friends to join you when you're in Kumospace, simply click on Share at the top left area of your browser and copy and paste the link that you'll find there into emails or texts to friends, colleagues, anybody you want in order for them to join.
And if you want to see where everyone is, just click on the map button at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will show you where everyone is in the zoom and include their initials. If you hover over their initials on the map, you can then see their whole names.
We have a lot of rooms set up, so make sure that you explore. There are vendors, regions, and interest groups of all kinds, a room for each.
When you want to leave, all you have to do is click on the exit button back at the bottom of the room. This will bring you back to the waiting room. You can now see all the rooms in the space. Just click on another room to enter it. You'll even take your virtual treat with you. Bottom line, if I can do this, trust me, so can you.
Or you just can close out the browser tab and disappear. Just make sure you say goodbye before you leave, so you just don't vanish.
Thanks for joining us here, everyone. That was just the basics. Feel free to log on and play around anytime. The site remains open. You'll get the hang of it very quickly. Remember, you can always contact tech support if you need at support@cantors.org. See you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.